Imagine the life of a self-made person. Imagine the life of a media strategist. Imagine the life of a research scholar. Imagine the life of a mind artist. I bet you can't. But I can tell you about the life struggles of the man who has written 58 books and paying his life for the education and betterment of the students. I can tell you about a man who believes in power of words through his writings. He is the man of wisdom. The man of benevolence never worries. The man of courage is never afraid. He is Zabir Saeed Badar.